Okay guys, this is the Ithaca Model 37, the Feartherlight. Load her up here and try out this bump fire. I've never tried it yet with this gun, but we'll see how it works. I do have the plug out right now just so I can see how it works. It only holds five rounds without the plug. Okay, let's hope this works. Loading the bottom, ejecting the bottom. Great gun for left-handers, and supposedly it bump fires. So that's one trigger pull, and I'm not going to pull the trigger again. I'm just going to work the action, and we're going to see what happens. Guess just like that. Works pretty good. Yeah, that's freaking awesome. Never tried it before, but yeah, you want a freaking awesome bump fire gun that's basically you just squeeze the trigger and work that action. Man, that thing you just seen works pretty good. Cheap guns too, because I don't know, nobody wants them anymore, I guess, but that's pretty fun. Can't beat that.